Welcome to episode 46 of 100 Days of Data. I'm Jonas, an AI professor, here to explore the foundations of data in AI with you.
And I, Amy, an AI consultant, excited to bring these concepts to life with stories and practical insights. Glad you're joining us.
Today, we're diving into a topic that touches all of us, the rise of deepfakes and AI-powered attacks, and what it means for security going forward.
Yeah, it's wild how AI is no longer just a tool for innovation, but also turning into a weapon in cyber attacks. The future of security is getting really complex.
To start off, let's clarify what we mean by AI and security together. AI, or artificial intelligence, involves machines making decisions or recognizing patterns in data. Security, in this context, usually refers to cybersecurity, the protection of computers, networks, and data from unauthorized access or harm.
Right, and AI is now a double-edged sword in this battle. On one side, we have AI systems that help detect fraud, phishing, or breaches faster. On the other, attackers are using AI to craft smarter, more convincing attacks. The other side is using AI. The future of security is getting really complex.
Exactly. This arms race is especially evident when we talk about deep fakes. Simply put, deep fakes are synthetic media, images, videos, or audio that have been manipulated or generated entirely by AI.
And these aren't your typical Photoshop jobs. Deepfakes use machine learning models, especially deep neural networks, to create realistic but fake content. I've seen examples where CEO's voice is cloned to authorize fraudulent transactions. That's the scary part.
The theory behind it comes from generative models like GANs, or generative adversarial networks. A GAN is made up of two neural networks contesting with each other to produce more realistic outputs. One generates fake media, while the other tries to detect fakes.
And because these models constantly improve by learning from each other, the fake content gets better and better. That's why traditional security measures like just spotting anomalies by human eyes don't always catch deepfakes anymore.
Historically speaking, cyber threats have evolved with technology. Early attacks were crude and obvious, mostly worms and viruses. But with AI, attackers have more sophisticated tools to exploit human psychology, like impersonating trusted individuals.
From the consulting side, I've worked with a large bank recently that faced spear phishing attacks enhanced by AI. Instead of random emails, attackers sent personalized emails to executives, written in their style, asking for sensitive information.
That's a great point. AI enables attackers to scrape social media and public data to create targeted attacks, known as social engineering, but with an AI-powered boost.
Exactly. It's like giving a criminal a supercomputer to prepare their heist, and the consequences aren't theoretical. Financial fraud, leaked trade secrets, even manipulation of public opinion through fake videos are very real business risks.
Which brings us to the defense side. AI is also central to the future of cybersecurity as a defense strategy. Machine learning algorithms can now analyze enormous amounts of network traffic and user behavior to detect threats in real time.
One recent client in automotive manufacturing implemented AI to monitor their production line's network. The system started flagging unusual communication patterns that nobody saw before, which helped them stop a ransomware attack early.
The theory behind it comes from generative models like neuromets. However, AI defenses have challenges too, like false positives or attackers adapting to trick the models.
True, and in practice, security teams have to constantly retrain these AI systems with fresh data and incorporate human expertise. It's definitely not a set-it-and-forget-it solution.
Another critical area is authentication. AI enables biometrics like facial recognition and voice verification, but these can be fooled by deep fakes. So researchers are exploring liveness detection and multi-factor authentication enhanced by AI.
In healthcare, for example, secure patient records rely on accurate identification, but if someone fakes a doctor's voice or video, it tricks the system. So combining AI with strict policies and additional checks is essential.
There's also a legal and ethical dimension here. As AI-generated content becomes indistinguishable from real media, how do we verify authenticity? Some frameworks suggest digital watermarks or blockchain-based provenance to prove something's origin.
I see a lot of companies starting to test these technologies. For instance, some news organizations are embedding invisible AI-created marks into videos to prove they're genuine. It's a race to build trust in a world of deception.
Speaking of deception, let's touch on misinformation campaigns. AI-generated deepfakes can be weaponized to manipulate elections or stock prices, which is a new frontier in cybersecurity.
Yes, I remember a case where a fake video impacted a public company's stock value on the news alone before it was debunked. The financial fallout was significant, showing how vulnerable markets can be to these attacks.
So, when we think about the future, the key concept is that AI both amplifies risks and enhances defenses. Security professionals have to balance this dual reality and develop systems to remain resilient.
For business leaders, that means investing not just in technology, but also in building awareness, training employees, conducting simulations, and having rapid response plans for AI-related breaches.
There's also a growing emphasis on collaboration between researchers, companies, and governments to develop policies and technologies that can mitigate AI-powered threats.
It's the only way to keep one step ahead. I often tell my clients that AI security isn't just an IT problem anymore. It's a business risk that needs strategic attention.
So, to summarize, AI is reshaping the cybersecurity landscape in fundamental ways. From creating realistic deepfakes to powering smarter attacks and equally smart defenses, the stakes are high.
And the practical takeaway is simple too. Businesses need to recognize AI-powered security risks and invest in AI-driven defenses while educating their people. It's about staying vigilant in an increasingly AI-complex world.
So here's our key takeaway. AI is transforming cybersecurity by enabling both new threats and new defenses, making the future a sophisticated arms race.
And from me, businesses that treat AI-powered security seriously, combining technology, training, and strategy, will be the ones who thrive amidst these challenges.
Next time on 100 Days of Data, we'll explore the future of data infrastructure, diving into how data systems themselves are evolving to support AI at scale.
If you're enjoying this, please like or rate us 5 stars in your podcast app. We love hearing from you, so leave us comments or questions. We might feature them in future episodes. Until tomorrow, stay curious, stay data-driven.